Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be installing these Sealight H11 fogs in my 2010 Acura TL here. So yeah, we're gonna get started, guys. Show you the process and what they look like. Alright, so that was an absolute pain in the butt. But I don't know if you guys can see this here very well, but this panel here, you can open it up by taking, see, as you can see, all my bolts broke off, but that one there, there's another one, can't even see anything, another one right there, and then where's the other one? Right in there. You can see that one broke off as well. But then you can eventually just pull this piece down from underneath, and then you can finally get to the fog light that's just up right in here. So I will replace them now, and then you do the same on the other side. But yeah, I'll show you from here. This is inside the fender well here. So just right underneath here, that's the piece that you want to pop out. So you can see that there's this stupid bolt here. It's completely rusted on. A couple other clips going along here. And you see that one broke there as well. Just perfect, but nothing a couple zip ties won't fix. Alright, so we're back here under the car, guys, and just gonna show you the bolts here. So here's the fender well here. Here's this plastic thing underneath you need to remove. So there's that bolt right there. There should be one there. As you can see, mine's zip tied. And that one over there, yeah, I don't think you really have to remove that one, because this thing here splits apart. Oh, it splits apart right there, yeah, so you do have to remove that one right there. And then that's it. Then you should be able to pull it backwards. Pull it back towards the tire, not forwards. So yeah, let's see if this one comes off any easier. I doubt it. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that. Right there, that's where the bulb is. Just kinda right under the fender here, and right there. You guys will see it if you once you get this thing off. But yeah, here's what it looks like pulled off. It's like messing up my body kit here, but it's got to be done. Alright, so we got the fog lights in. Oh man, can't even focus on that. Doesn't want to focus. Want to focus. There we go. So the fogs are in. They are pretty damn bright. Look awesome. Slightly more blue than the headlights, but it's okay. But yeah, they look pretty damn sweet. So yeah, let's put in the high beams now. So there's the high beams on. Pretty bright. Not too bad, but they're very, very yellow, which is garbage. Need to get rid of the yellowness. So that's with them on there. And then this is, oh, focus. Them on. That's the daytime running lights with fogs. That's the high beams. Fog lights. No fog lights. Fog lights. No fog lights. Pretty damn big difference. Alright guys, so for your high beam bulb, which is this one right here, not that one, but this one, it's going to be right down in here. Not where that wire is there, but it's kind of right where this light is shining, right in there is where it goes. And yeah, this side's a pain, the driver's side, but hopefully the passenger side will be a bit easier. But you have to remove this box that goes right here. It's just oops, sorry, I'm out of focus. Come on, focus, you stupid thing there. There's air box that goes right here with these two clips. That's it there. But yeah, it's just sort of right where my light is shining here, just right under this This beam here is where the light is. It's not that one there. That's a different light. But oh, there you can sort of just barely see it in there. It's like right there. Alright guys, so we got the Auxbeam HIDs installed here. Or no, they're not HIDs, sorry, LEDs. Yeah, there, look at that. That's freaking crazy. That's like absolutely insane brightness. I'll show you the difference here between the two. I can't even look at it, it's so bright. But there's the HID, there's the halogen. It's freaking crazy. Alright guys, so this is a test here of the new Auxbeam, I think they're TF1 high beams and daytime running lights. As you can see, they're extremely bright. There's another car coming up here, so I'm gonna have to wait until he passes, but I don't want to blind him. These lights are like crazy bright. They can light up everything. Okay, let's see, we'll turn them on again here. And as you can see, just look at that. That is insane. High beams and then regular lights. Absolutely crazy. So much brightness. Alright, here we go. Auxbeam T1s again. This is a regular low beam, and there's the high beam again. Absolutely crazy, unbelievably bright. So here's low beam again, and there's high beam. It's crazy, holy man. They're aimed a bit high actually, I think, maybe, I don't know. I'll have to take a look. No, I guess they're alright. They're lighting up like absolutely everything, which is great. Which is what they're supposed to do. Do it one more time here. There's low beam, and there's high beam. Unbelievable. Holy, they're bright. Low beam, high beam, low beam, high beam. Crazy. Unbelievably bright. And we'll show you guys the fog lights now. Alright, so here we are stopped at a stoplight. I'll turn the fogs on here in a second. There's regular lights and there's the fogs. So yeah, they do make quite a difference. Shut them off here again. Off, on. Quite a big change. They light up the bottom of the road quite nicely. Yeah, so those are the Sealights. I forget which model, the H11s, I believe. I don't know the exact name of them. I'll have to put it in the video description. But yeah, pretty good. I'm pretty impressed with the light output. It's a lot better than stock was, for sure. So yeah, it's them off, on. Yeah, they light up quite a bit, for sure. You can see on the sides of the road that it is lighting it up quite a bit. So it's pretty sweet. They are pretty bluish. They're slightly more blue than the HIDs I have in my car. Yeah, nonetheless though, they're pretty sweet. Like you can't really tell too much. It's not like a massive difference, so it's not too crazy or anything like that. Alright guys, so we have the Sealight H11 fogs on right now. As you can see, I'll go ahead and shut them off. It's off, on. As you can see, they light up the lower part of the road like really, really well. I'm pretty impressed with them. And yeah, they seem like they're pretty decent quality fog lights for like 39 bucks, I think they are. So yeah, I definitely recommend hitting them up and buying a pair. All the people around here are gonna think I'm crazy and like flashing my lights like crazy, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for more. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you the high beams again here. There we go, look at that. Auxbeam T1s, FT1s, that's what it is, FT, my bad. Yeah, there's off, and turn them on one more time, on again. Unbelievably bright, like holy, absolutely crazy. just ridiculously bright. And we'll go back there again. Hopefully nobody will be coming, and I'll show you guys one more quick clip again of the FT-1s by Auxbeam for high beams. Alright guys, we're gonna test out the high beams here quickly. Oh, there's somebody behind me. Yeah, there we go, there they are there. Turn them off again. Unbelievably bright, absolutely crazy. We'll do one more going back and then that'll conclude the video. Alright, so here's another test of the Auxbeam FT-1s. High beam lights, that's them on. Absolutely incredible light, it's crazy, they're so bright. Shut them off. This is a normal HID low beam. Back on again, FT-1s. Unbelievable, they're so bright. I can see like everything. It's crazy, these are really good lights for sure. Definitely worth, I think they were $76 Canadian. Shipped and everything, so yeah, I'd recommend them. I don't know if the DRLs work yet though, I think they do. We'll have to see in the morning. But yeah, they're crazy bright. Amazing high beams for sure. Pretty sure though the car should automatically lower the voltage a bit on them so that they work properly in the daytime for DRLs. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this review and video, and if you did, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.